So I'm here with Raj. So Raj, where do you work and what's your role in your company?
So I'm the Director of Enterprise Architecture. I work for Komatsu Heavy Equipment. We are sponsors of Williams Racing. So
Wow.
I work in Chicago, but our headquarters for mining is in Milwaukee. And for construction, it's in Chicago.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. And how is Dreamforce been? Is it your first time? How is it going for you?
My first Dreamforce. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot. Both. Yeah, there's a lot of people here. There's a lot of stuff going on. I had kind of a focus. We're stepping more into Salesforce field service. So I got to figure out Agentforce and Data Cloud and how that's going to fit. So yeah, it's been good. It's just a lot.
Yeah, I'm with you there. Like it's our first time as well, super overwhelming, but a lot of like meaningful conversations. And Dreamforce is all about innovation and changes. So what is one thing that you think that it's blowing your mind in terms of what's coming next in the future?
Well, this is not unique to Salesforce or Dreamforce, but AI, agentic, whatever you want to call it. How we're going to do it tomorrow is not how we did it yesterday.
Yeah.
And the pace of innovation change with AI is stupid fast, I think is the best way to put it. It's hard.
Yeah, and thinking about that, like with all the new implementations and changes, what are some challenges that you face when you're like growing your teams or scaling your operations? How do you see that changing as well?
Data has always been the problem, especially even more so now in the AI world, right? Data is the currency of AI. I get into a little bit of trouble because I would say as long as with many customers, we have an overconfidence in the data that we have. And so but you just have to go do it, and then you'll find out it's easier to find the holes or what data is missing when you try to start using it. And it's just faster doing that with the AI solutions.
Yes, absolutely. I'm with you there completely. And my last question for you, I know like with all our day-to-day routine, right, a lot of like disruptive things on our to-do list, right? So what is one thing that you wish you could handle to someone else on your day-to-day?
Like expense reports. Like this one. No, what we're actually looking at some stuff. So one of the things we do is from the enterprise architecture side is just cataloging, right? We have 6 of everything. Many of those we have many ERPs, we have many data platforms, we have many engineering solutions. So just finding where those are, who's using them, who owns them, why are we using them is something that is hard. And then along that way is, right, what are the business processes those applications support? I use the sort of layman's term of, hey, how do we do what we do? And that is sometimes a very complicated question. So we've started to build some agents that'll help us do that. We did not use Agentforce to do that. I have a couple of really smart people on my team that we had a crazy idea, and 3 days later, they had a working solution. So that the pace of that is difficult for a lot of, I'll call them traditional project-based stuff, right? By the time, what AI has proven right is, by the time you figure out what you want to do, if you just let some people loose, they will have already done it. That is a uncomfortable experience for a lot of enterprises.
Definitely, yeah. So that's very insightful, Raj. Thank you so much for your time, and
absolutely.
we'll see you guys later.